Right, I'm hoping this is the one you've got, Moz. You turn it on, let the hand sweep, let it sweep back. And if you hold these two buttons here for 3 seconds, it should go into reset mode. There we are, it's in adjust mode. I'll just move that in for you. Right, so to move it to the screen you want to adjust, push this button this side. There we are. There we are. That's your rev counter. As you can see, I've got mine set to 4-cylinder, 2 points. So if I go like that, that sets it to 2-cylinder. Push it again, back to 4-cylinder. Move it over, and that changes it to that one. Same again. 3 points, 4 points, 5, 6, 8. But I need to get that back to 2 because obviously I've got 2 coils and each coil sparks on each cycle. Right, so that's that done. So once you've done your rev counter, push the button again. Then don't ask me what that stands for. I ain't got the foggiest, but that's what it's set to anyway. Right, that's obviously a temperature gauge. You won't need that. That there is, I think that's mile per hour. So if I move this over, does that send it to kilometres? Ah, no, I know what that is. That's my speed guide going through the town. It flashes that I'm over the speed limit. So if you see, I've got that set to 30 now. So that speed will flash at 30. That one there. When I go over the speed limit in a 30. Right. I think that's where my shift light comes on. I've not actually set that up. But if you see, that's 7,600. So when that hits 7,600 revs, my shift light will come on there. That's something I need to set up. So if I want to change it 10,000 revs, if I want to be that silly, you just keep pushing that button there. So really, I'll just take it. There you are, 9,100. And my shift light will come on when my revs hit that. Next one is temperature again. That must be your oil temperature. Yep, that's your oil temperature, I think. No, that was your water, sorry, that's your oil. That's my wheel. So I've got that set at all 1840 millimeters. So that's my front wheel setting. That's the circumference of the wheel. And I've got 5 pickups on there, so I'll show you in a minute. But like I say, the wheel, all I done was mark the wheel rim, or mark the tyre, sorry. If I come over here. Here we go. Oh, there we go. I've marked the tyre there. I put that at the bottom. I marked the concrete it was on, pushed it forward till it was at the bottom again, marked the concrete again, and just measured it in millimetres, and that comes to 18 whatever. And now the bloody clock's reset again. So all I do again, push it again for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and it's back into that screen. So adjust. There we go, mile per hour. If you want to change mile per hour to kilometres an hour, push that kilometres an hour, back to mile per hour. Like I say, there's the cylinder, that's the rev counter again. 4 cycles, and it's got 2 pulses per cycle. That's that, 4 cycles again. Right, next one. We got on to the next one. I don't even know what that means. That's obviously a temperature gauge. That was my speed limit gauge again. I don't know why that keeps resetting. There we go. 9,300 revs is me shift light. There we are. That's water again, you won't need that. Oil, you won't need that. There's a wheel circumference again. Remember I said mark the floor, mark the tyre, push it forward, then mark the floor again and measure the length. 1840. Sorry, 5 pickups. What I'm using for pickups are the 5 there we are, bolts there. 5 bolts on the disc, and there's me doofer, my pulse reader. Okay. Oh, now it's reset again. This is fun. This is fun. So push it again. 1, 2, 3. I think that's probably all you need. Cylinder 30, 9,300. That's oil, water, oil. That's the top wheel again, the 5 points, 1840, and the 5 pickups. That's the clock again. So I don't know what the time is now. Trouble is, I've had the battery off, that's why everything's zeroed down. There we are, it's probably about that time. That moves it to the minutes, just the minutes again. Same again. That's, I've got a feeling that's the fuel gauge. Okay, that probably won't be required anymore, but if I just bring it in, you can see what's flashing at. Fuel gauge works perfect on mine, so that's what you need to set it at. And these are for the power tests, if you want to adjust them. It's the lap timers, that kind of thing. I shouldn't think you'll use them. I don't use them. There we are, back to the beginning now. Okay. I hope that was helpful anyway, so any problems just give us a tinkle. Okay, cheers then, bye.